Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring small patio design ideas. Spaces that prove you don't need a large footprint to create an outdoor area that feels thoughtful, inviting, and beautifully designed. Whether you have a compact balcony, a narrow courtyard, or a petite backyard patio, smart choices can transform it into a place you'll genuinely enjoy spending time in. Designing a small patio well matters because outdoor space is an extension of your home. When it feels cluttered or underused, it's easy to ignore it altogether. But when it's planned with intention, even the smallest patio can support relaxation, entertaining, and daily rituals like morning coffee or evening wind downs. Good design helps maximize comfort, functionality, and visual appeal without overwhelming the space. Let's look at a few design tips to bring this idea to life. Choose furniture. With a light visual footprint, opt for slim profile furniture, open bases, and pieces with legs instead of solid blocks. Bistro sets, armless chairs, or benches with storage keep the patio feeling open while still offering comfort and practicality. Use vertical space strategically. When floor space is limited, think upward. Wall-mounted planters, trellises, or hanging lanterns add layers of interest without crowding the ground. Vertical elements draw the eye up, making the patio feel taller and more expansive. Create a cohesive color palette. A limited, harmonious color scheme helps small spaces feel calmer and more intentional. Neutral bases with one or two accent colors, through cushions, planters, or textiles, create visual unity and prevent the area from feeling busy. Define the space with textiles. Outdoor rugs, cushions, and throws help visually anchor the patio and give it a room-like quality. Choose patterns that aren't overly bold and fabrics designed for outdoor use to maintain both style and durability. Incorporate multifunctional elements. Look for pieces that serve more than one purpose, such as stools that double as side tables or planters with built-in seating edges. Multifunctional design reduces clutter while increasing usability. Add thoughtful lighting. Soft lighting instantly elevates a small patio. String lights, solar lanterns, or compact sconces create warmth and extend usability into the evening, adding atmosphere without taking up space. A small patio doesn't need to feel like a compromise. With careful choices and a clear design vision, it can become a refined, welcoming retreat that reflects your personal style. Thoughtful design turns limited space into an intentional experience, one that feels both functional and inspiring no matter the size.